Hello Freedom Tool users. In this video we will be going over how to install a software update for your Freedom Tool directly from the World Electronics website. In order to successfully install a Freedom Tool software update, you will need an internet connection along with your Freedom Tool security key. Once you have everything you need to install the software update, you should go to the software updates page on our website. I have provided a link in the description that will take you to the page you see on my screen now. Since I plan on updating my US elevator software module, I'm going to go to the bottom of the screen and select Thyssen/US Ascension 2000. After selecting the appropriate software module, you will need to enter in some information in order to get to the download link. So go ahead and fill out these boxes, and when you are done filling out the boxes, hit submit. After you fill out the form and hit submit, a page with the download link will come up. So we should go ahead and select the download link to begin downloading our software update. Once the file has finished downloading, you can go to the window on the bottom of your screen and select Run. We no longer need this window, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize that and select Setup in the WinZip Self-Extractor window. Select Next once the Install Wizard window comes up, and then a new window will appear asking you for some information. Username should already be filled out for you. Company name, you should enter in your company name, and under serial number you should enter in the 8-digit code that you can find on the white label wrapped around your security key. Once you have finished typing in your serial number, select Next, and then select Install. Once the driver installation window comes up, select Install. Then select Finish. Select the Extract button and wait for extraction. Select the Next button and then read the license agreement provided in the paragraph of this box, and then select the I accept this agreement button and select Next. Then select Finish. Then select Next in this window, read the licensing agreement and accept the agreement, select the Next button again, and select Finish. It is completely normal to receive this error message after installing. It can simply be ignored and requires no action on your part. So we're going to press OK, and then we're going to select Finish. Just to confirm everything was installed properly, we're going to open up our Freedom Tool, plug our security key in, go to the US elevator module and select the appropriate part number for our interface box. Our COM port has been selected for us, so we're going to hit OK. Our security key has passed. We'll select 1220 and we're in. The update was successfully installed. If you received the security key authorization error, reboot your computer and re-enter the software. So thank you for watching, and feel free to visit us at www.world-electronics.com.